Hi guys and girls, it's Mrs. Gudrow. I'm going to read section 3, Owls Everywhere, from our nonfiction owl book. When I look at the table of contents, remember how that works? I find my section heading and then I follow across those dotted pathways to the page number. What page number am I going to start on today? Page 8. Look at the bottom of my page to find the number. And here is page 8. When I look at these two pages, I've got my heading here, Owls Everywhere. That helps me better understand what this section is going to be all about. Look closely at your nonfiction label. Do you remember what a label tells us? It labels or names the photograph. So when I read this label, I see this owl is called a barred owl. Ooh, look closely at this label. Great horned owl. This owl looks like he's in his habitat. Habitat was one of our vocabulary words on our word wall, wasn't it? Habitat are places where plants or animals live. Looks like this habitat is a nest inside this giant plant. Do you know what this plant is called? It's very prickly to touch. It's called a cactus. Cactuses are usually found in warmer places, not in Maine. Let's go ahead and read about owls everywhere. Owls live in cold places and hot places. Which of these owls' habitat is a cold place? The barred owl, how do you know? Talk to your family about how you know. What clues did the photographer give us? They live in rainforests and deserts. So that's all over the world, isn't it? Owls also live in the mountains and near the ocean. What habitat do we live in? Do we live in a desert? Do we live in or near oceans? Do we live near or in the mountains or forests or woods? Talk to your family tonight about what habitat we live in and what the weather's like in our habitat. What kind of owls do you think we would see in our habitat? Happy reading!